Hi, I'm Guy. If you're on YouTube, I'm the fellow that you see in that picture. Anyway, the edit of the tab in a Facebook group is what I'm on about today. And that's basically the description of the group and maybe a better chance to put in keywords than at first glance. Anyway, you access your group, choose the group from the list of groups that you're a part of, and then find the group you want to edit. And you should be an admin of that group. Scroll down to settings and then look at group settings. And then you'll see on the right-hand side, you'll see edit name and description. And the description is what goes under that about tag. Be sure to save the changes and remember that every member of the group can view this information. So make sure that it's correct and accurate and relevant and up to date. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.